In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Notify Me When Back in Stock feature to your Shopify store in 2024. Setting up this useful feature can make a significant difference for your business by keeping your customers informed and engaged. So let's dive right into it and make sure you have everything you need to keep your customers happy and returning. First, let's get started by navigating to the Apps section within your Shopify admin panel. This is your main hub for managing all the different applications that can be integrated into your store. Think of it like a toolbox where you have all the essential tools to enhance your store's functionality. Once you're there, head over to the search bar. Here, simply type in Notify Me, as we're looking to pinpoint an app designed specifically to notify your customers when products are back in stock. This ensures they don't miss out on purchasing items they're really interested in. Upon pressing enter, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the app that best fits the description and requirements of a Notify Me service. Click on that result to proceed. This action will take you to the app's homepage on the Shopify App Store, where you'll find detailed information about what the app offers and how it can benefit your store. It's always a good idea to glance over this information to ensure the app aligns with your store's needs. Once you've verified it's the right app for you, go ahead and click the Install button. It's crucial to follow the prompts as closely as possible to ensure smooth installation. This initiates the installation process, a simple yet crucial step in getting this feature up and running. Don't be surprised if you're asked to confirm the installation by clicking Install again. This double confirmation is just to make sure that the app is definitely something you want to have plugged into your store's ecosystem. With the app installed, the next step is activation. This is where the app goes from just being present in your system to actively interfacing with your store's inventory. Activation ensures that the app is registered within your Shopify account and ready to operate. So go ahead and click that all-important Activate button. This kickstarts the notification service, allowing you to begin setting up notifications for any product that goes out of stock, ensuring that your customers know just when they can come back to purchase the items they love. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated a powerful feature into your Shopify store that will keep your customers informed and connected. Not only does this improve customer satisfaction by providing timely updates, but it can also drive repeat business as shoppers appreciate the ease and convenience of being notified about product availability. Thanks for joining the tutorial, and happy selling on Shopify!